Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a DIY hair oil. For this I have selected a parachute coconut hair oil, and you can also select the tin coconut oil. Now I'm picking some hibiscus flower because I'm going to make a hibiscus infused oil. Hibiscus are great as far as the natural remedies are concerned. It is great for thick, long and healthy hairs. I took 2 whole bottles of parachute coconut oil and 10 to 12 hibiscus flower. Now I'm going to pour these two bottles of oil in the saucepan and turn on the stove. I feel like it will be less in quantity, so I also took half a bottle of Pakiza coconut oil. It's also coconut oil. Then I'm going to put all my hibiscus flower and gently stir this into my oil. After heating up 10 to 15 minutes, you will notice a change in color of flower. It will turn purple and the room will fill with the aroma of coconut. So you will feel like you are cooking some coconut cookies, and later on it will turn into black. And with the help of spoon, I have already turned this flour in small particles. Now I will put a strainer at some jar, and now I'm going to stain my oil. Most of oil was absorbed by the flour's particles, so you have to make sure that it will drain properly. So you can use your finger and fork as well to properly drain that oil. Once it is drained, you can see that it turn a little bit brownish in color. Now I will turn off the lid of this jar, and my oil for 2 or 3 months is secure. Hi lovelies, so today I'm going to use this hibiscus flower infused oil which I have made previously. So let's use this. It can have a lot of benefit. Like first we are going to massage this, and it is going to promote our hair growth. Secondly, it has a keratin. As you know that it is a natural building block of any hair, so it is going to nourish your hair as well. The second benefit is that it will condition your hair and make it soften, so it helps to condition your hair as well. So I'm going to make a segment and massage it over my skull. It will also prevent baldness or decrease your hair loss. Like if your any patch at hair has less hair or baldness, it is going to stimulate hair growth there, and you can see the visible results. It is also going to treat the dandruff and itchy skull. Like if you have any kind of allergy and dandruff, it is going to prevent it. And the other important benefit that it prevents the premature gray hair. So if with the regular use, the premature hair growth will also be prevented. This flower is not very rare. You can find them easily in any garden. Like I have also find it at some gardens. So I've just picked them and just infuse it in coconut oil to make it great and beneficial oil for my hairs. And its massage also going to stimulate the hair growth. So if you have a thin hair, you can gain a thick hair and long hair with the regular use of this oil. So I'm going to apply this on my roots and then at the tips as well. And I'm going to apply this half or 1 hour before shower. Now it's time for hair mask. I'm going to take 2 big spoons of yogurt. It also great for your hair. Now I will put 1 spoon of coffee into this and shikara. It is optional. If you have, you can put. If you don't have, just leave it or skip it. Now I'm going to mix it, and then I will add mayyonise. It contains egg and oil, which is great for your hair. I will put 2 big tablespoons of mayyonise. It will also increase the density of your paste, and it will become a little thicker. At the end, I will squeeze one medium-sized lemon into this paste. It contains vitamin C, which is also very great for your hairs. Now my paste is ready and you can see its consistency. So today's next day, I'm going to apply this DIY coffee and yogurt hair mask on my hair with the help of this plastic bristle brush. It has a bristles like comb, so it can easily penetrate in my roots through this brush. Also nourish your hairs and make it silky soft, and with the help of shikakai and coffee, your hair will get a tint of brown shade, which also looks so great. So I just apply this like this at the center of my hair. So I will make the segments further and apply this in this way. Now I took the next segment and now I'm going to apply this one with the help of this brush. Now I have applied this mask on my hairs and make a bun later. Now I will keep this mask for 1 hour and then I will wash my hairs. You can notice that my hair looks so bouncy, soft, silky and shiny after using this oil and mask at alternative day. Do try this DIY oil and mask and let me know in the comment box how does it work for you, and I will see you in my next video, and please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.